dear viewers, I think all viewers are very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Tahsin Tabassum Sinthiya, the JSC examinee of 2022 of East Ramkhana Multi-Level High School. Dear guys, I want to tell something about my school. Dear guys, do you know why the school is so important and what do you realize about this school? It's an institution from where we can learn something. Even skilled teachers teach us very carefully. Now, come to the main point. Our school is located in East Ramkhana, Nageshwari Kurigram. It's a historical school and it's obviously related with the Liberation War in 1971. Dear guys, do you know it is the first high school in Ramkhana Union, Nageshwari Upazila under Kurigram district? It's a historical school and it's established in 1962, before 9 years of our Liberation War. Dear guys, why the school is so important? It's obviously clear that why the student will be interested to admit in my school. Dear guys, I just defined 5 issues about my school. Firstly, our environment of our school is very cool and fresh. Secondly, teachers and admins are so cordial, friendly and highly educated persons. Their teaching capacity is proved in every year by the public examinations. Thirdly, most of the passing students get chance and admit in Dhaka University, Buet, Chuet and Ruet universities. Fourthly, teaching methods, sports and cultural programs are so and very amazing. The environment of our school has been attracted the interested learners. And last of all, I am proud of my school and our obviously for our teachers. Thank you everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Please don't forget to give like, share and comment.